Engin Akyürek is a Turkish actor. He is famous for his roles as Mustafa Bulat in Turkish series Bir Bulat Osam. He was born on 12 October 1981 in Ankara, Turkey. His father is a retired government official and his mother is a homemaker. He has a younger brother, Erin. He graduated from Ankara University's Department of History. His parents still reside in Ankara while he and his brother live in Istanbul. Engin Akyürek is the victor of the Turkish Cinema Award for Most Promising Actor for his performance in his debut movie 2006 Kader. He featured in the TV series Karayilan, which occurred during the French occupation of Turkey. Akyürek portrayed an anti-hero early in his career, yet his very next character as a lead got deeply embedded in every viewer's mind. Between 2010 and 2012, the actor played the role of Kerim Ilgaz in Turkish TV series Fat Mughal Sukhune, for which he gained great notoriety reputation. His performance in this series brought him many awards and he became one of the most popular actors in Turkey. This role also made him one of the most recognized and loved Turkish actors in the Middle East and Latin America. Akyürek has the small screen with his series Safaran Khizi, the Ambassador's Daughter, from December 16, 2019. The series is a joint production of 3Media and NGM and is aired on Star TV. The series is currently on air in Turkey to date April 2020 but has been postponed after its 15th episode due to the lockdown across the world because of COVID-19. The series tops the ratings during its airtime on Monday nights. Akyürek's venture on the silver screen was the movie Bir Aşk İki Hayat on Love Two Lives in 2019. The movie was an adaptation of a Greek movie and got released on February 13, 2019. He has starred as Tekin in a movie called A Small September Affair written and directed by Kerem Derin. The movie takes place in Bozcaada. He came back to the TV screens in 2014 with his character of police officer Omar Demir in Kara Para Ask, written by Elim Khanbolat and Sima Ergenekon and directed by Ahmet Katikses, for which he won the Best Actor in Seoul International Drama Awards and was nominated in the same category at the International Emmy Awards. In 2009, Akyürek got his first leading role when he played the male psychotic lover Mustafa Bulat in the TV series Bir Bulat Osam. Akyürek considers his character Mustafa Bulat as his best role so far and the one closest to his heart.